Hey, my name's Alex. If you guys aren't familiar with me or you're new to the channel, I'm a licensed realtor in Utah. The whole reason I made this channel is just to educate as many people as I possibly can about the different avenues of investing. Obviously, real estate's a big one. Because I'm a realtor, I'll be talking about that mostly. Not only about the different ways you can invest in real estate, but also how to buy a home, how to sell a home, just things like that. Another thing that I'll be talking about is just all the other ways you can invest, whether it be the stock market, Dogecoin, whatever it is. However, because I'm a realtor, like I said, I will be focusing mainly on real estate. But if you guys have any other questions you guys want answered, whether it be in a video format or just a quick comment, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. I'll get to it as fast as I possibly can. Another thing that I want you guys to do that's very important is I want you guys to make sure you like this video, like it 3 times, and then also make sure you subscribe just so it helps the algorithm and gets us out there as much as possible. Thank you guys, see ya.